Good day. My name is Yakubu Zuwailatu, and today I'll be presenting on a very essential topic, which is artificial intelligence adoption and its strategic implications for the global banking industry. Evidence from GCB Bank PLC. Now, my presentation will look at the introduction, why AI matters in banking, and then external analysis, AI adoption, origins, trends, and implications. And then you look at the industry impact, the pestle plus Porter's five forces. And then move to GCB Bank analysis, digital strategy, investment, and performance. And then strategic evaluation, that's dynamic capabilities and recommendation and conclusions. So I will start by the introduction. What is reports is about. Today, organizations operate in a fast-changing environment influenced by external forces. Of the most important of these is artificial intelligence. AI is transforming industries across the world, and the banking sector is one of the most affected. In this presentation, I'll be examining AI adoption as a major external environmental issue and evaluate how GCB Bank PLC is responding to these changes. So GCB Bank PLC at a glance, founded founded in 1953, listed on Ghana Stock Exchange, branches 186 plus, ATMs 340 plus, clients, retail, corporate and institutional. Now, let's look at artificial intelligence as an external issue. Artificial intelligence refers to technologies that allow machines to learn, analyze data, and perform tasks normally done by humans. Although AI research started many years ago, its use in business expanded rapidly in 2010s due to increased digital data and improved computing power. In banking today, AI is used for fraud detection, credit scoring, service chatbots, and then regulatory compliances. Where the key trends and skill. McKinsey estimates AI could add up to 1 trillion in annual value to global banking. And then its strategic implications. Short term, fintech challenges are intensified competition, especially in Ghana, where MTN, Momo, and Telecel Cash have distracted traditional channels. Now, let's look at the industry impact of AI in banking. AI is reshaping the banking industry globally. It is estimated that AI could generate about $1 trillion in value each year through improved efficiency and better risk management, as already talked about. At the same time, fintech companies and mobile money platforms are increasingly competition and changing customers' expectations. In Ghana, services like MTN, Momo, and Telecel Cash are good examples of how digital finance is transforming the industry. Now let's look at the pestle analysis of AI in banking. Using the pestle framework, we can now we can see how AI affects banking in different ways. Let's start with the political. Politically, governments are promoting digital financial inclusion. Economically, AI reduces operating costs. Socially, customers increasingly prefer mobile and digital banking. Technologically, the growth of smartphones and internet access supports AI adoption. Legally, Legally, data protection laws regulate how customer data is used. Environmentally, AI systems consume significant energy, which raises sustainability concerns. So, let's look at the competitive dynamics. using the Porter's five forces. Using Porter's five forces, we can better understand competition in the banking industry. First, competitive rivalry is very high due to many banks and fintech firms competing for customers. Second, the threat of new entrants is moderate because although banking regulations are strict, fintech startups can still enter the market with digital solutions. Thirdly, the bargaining power of customers is high since customers can easily switch to mobile money and digital banking services. Fourth, the bargaining power of suppliers, such as technology providers, is also increasing because banks rely on advanced AI systems. Finally, that is the threat of substitutes is very high, especially from mobile money platforms and fintech services that offer faster and more convenient alternatives to traditional banking. So, we move to the firm analysis. GCB Bank firm level analysis. GCB Bank is the largest indigenous commercial bank in Ghana with over 186 branches nationwide. The bank has adopted a digital transformation strategy known as DigiFirst. Key initiatives include upgrading its core banking system, launching the GMoney digital wallet, investing in cybersecurity, and introducing automation to improve efficiency. GCB Bank Financial Performance 2023. The digital investments are already improving performance. In 2023, GCB Bank recorded a profit before tax of about 1.5 trillion Ghana cedis. Net interest income increased significantly and the cost to income ratio improved. This shows that technology and automation are helping the bank operate more efficiently and effectively. Now, let's look at the strategic evaluation, that is dynamic capabilities. Overall, GCB Bank has taken strong steps toward digital transformation. However, there are still challenges. Competition from fintech companies and mobile money platforms is increasing. In addition, limited AI expertise and older legacy systems may slow down progress. Regulatory pressure also remains an important factor. Sensing, seizing, and configuring. So these are the dynamics capabilities. Now, let's look at the strategic recommendation for GCB Bank. So, in conclusion, the strategic performance or the recommendation for GCB Bank are: one, accelerate core banking modernization, develop explainable AI frameworks, AI ethics governance at board level, expand GMoney with AI capabilities, investing invest in AI literacy across all staffs. So, key takeaways: AI is transformative external force, not just a technology upgrade, reshaping competition, cost, risks, and strategic in global banking. The personal analysis shows AI impact cuts across all six dimensions with Ghana's specific context, using how local banks respond. So to conclude, in conclusion or to conclude, AI artificial is transforming the global banking industry. Banks that fail to adopt AI risk losing competitiveness. GCB Bank has made good progress, but it must continue investing in technology, improve AI governance, and train its workforce in AI skills. By doing this, the bank can maintain its leadership position in Ghana. Thank you.